As the impasse in Rajya Sabha continues, there's a lot of focus on TRS and YSRCP also, parties which were earlier called friendly towards the ruling dispensation, but now they seem to be joining ranks with the opposition. Is TRS joining ranks with the opposition?
The question is, we are opposition. I have defeated BJP, and in 120 seats, 85 seats they have lost their deposits, and today there are 3 in the house of 121 to 120. How could I be joining opposition now? The opposition is joining me is another matter. You see, there has been a perception in the people or in the press particularly. I don't include CNN in that because we have been balancing it. But nonetheless, there was a perception which I accept that we have been closer to BJP, which is absolutely wrong, nonsensical, because we have opposed all political issues like farm bills, like right to information bill. All this we have opposed. Few of the bills, ordinary bills, we have voted along because after all it is a national nation. I will say I am doing it. But it is not joining BJP, but perception went along with you. This is all. Now today you are seeing because we are in a little aggressive mood. And then you think that we have...
No, but also because it's being said that BJP is now challenging TRS, snapping at your heels as the assembly elections loom large. Therefore, you are now being aggressive against the BJP.
Good. All that they have won is one by election they have won, accepted. It is not that I am not saying that they have not won. They did accept it. Like that, the 2 by elections they won. In what? In 120 seats. There have been by elections for 5 things. They have lost deposits in all the seats.
Right.
Here we have lost by few votes, 1,500 votes and 500 votes at one place. And some,
so then if you allow me to ask the question that everybody is thinking, there are contentious bills that are on the agenda of the government. There is the BSF jurisdiction bill. There's also the bill about the CBI ED director's tenure extension. When these bills are brought into the Rajya Sabha, what is the TRS's stand going to be?
Certainly anything that is eating into the parts of the state, one. Anything eating into the very democratic governance, 2, and anything that would defend the rights of the regional areas, we will certainly be there. And the 3 bills that you took, we have read those bills. We are going to oppose them.
And final question, sir. Will Rajya Sabha function? You're continuing to demand that MP's suspension be revoked. Will Rajya Sabha function?
We are not pitting against each other as enemies. We are not born enemies. All that we are asking is, please revoke the suspension. What we are saying is, we are not gloating over the suspension. We are not gloating, celebrating the suspension. We are saying yes, unfortunate thing did happen, which requires some kind of it is not remorse, some kind of understanding by us. We say it is unfortunate and it should be over. It is an emotional issue and it had happened, it should be over. So how long the government would like to drag it, it is left to them.
Right.
As far as we are concerned, we will certainly see to it that till the justice is done, we will do.
So till the time justice is done, which means till the time the suspension is revoked, Rajya Sabha may not function. That's the stand of the TRS, also making it very clear that on some of those contentious bills, they are not with the government. With Ravinder, this is Arunima reporting from outside the Parliament House.